two of the most powerful and advanced fighter jets in the world today. The F-35 Lightning II and the Su-35 Flanker E. These aircraft represent the cutting edge of military aviation, developed by the United States and Russia. Let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two formidable machines. First, let's look at the basics. The F-35 is a fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States. It comes in three variants: the F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, designed for conventional, short takeoff and carrier operations, respectively. In contrast, the Su-35, developed by Sukhoi for Russia, is a fourth-generation plus multi-role fighter. Its design is focused on air superiority, offering incredible maneuverability and firepower. One of the main differences between these two jets is stealth. The F-35 is built to be nearly invisible to radar, with a low radar cross-section achieved through angular surfaces, internal weapons bays, and radar-absorbing materials. On the other hand, the Su-35 does not focus on stealth. While it has some features to reduce radar visibility, it is still more detectable than the F-35, making it less effective in stealth missions, but still a deadly combatant in open warfare. Next, let's talk about avionics. The F-35 is equipped with advanced systems like the ANAPG, 81 AESA radar, and the Distributed Aperture System, which provides 360-degree situational awareness. This integration of sensor fusion allows the F-35 pilot to see the battlefield in unprecedented detail. The Su-35, while lacking the same level of integration, still has a powerful radar system. The N-035 Irbis E AESA radar, known for its long-range detection. It also features an infrared search and track system, which is excellent for detecting targets without emitting radar signals. Performance is where the Su-35 shines. With a top speed of Mach 2.25 and outstanding maneuverability, thanks to its 3D thrust vectoring, the Su-35 is incredibly agile, especially in close air combat. The F-35, while fast at Mach 1.6, focuses on versatility. It's designed for multi-role missions and may not match the Su-35's agility, but it makes up for it with its ability to perform a variety of tasks, from air-to-ground strikes to reconnaissance missions. Both jets have impressive armament, but they carry their weapons differently. The F-35 is optimized for precision strikes, with internal weapons bays to maintain stealth while carrying AMRAAM missiles, GBU-12 bombs, and more. It can also carry external weapons if needed. The Su-35, on the other hand, has 12 external hardpoints, allowing it to carry a wide variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. This gives it a larger payload capacity, making it ideal for missions where heavy firepower is necessary. Cost is another factor. The F-35 is one of the most expensive fighter jets ever made, with an estimated price tag of $80 to $100 million per unit. However, its advanced technology and versatility make it a long-term investment for the United States and its allies. The Su-35 is more affordable, priced around $40 to $50 million per unit. This lower cost makes it an attractive option for countries seeking a capable multi-role fighter at a more affordable price. The F-35 excels in multi-role operations, from stealthy strikes to close air support and reconnaissance. It's designed to operate in complex, contested environments where avoiding detection and sharing information across a network is key. The Su-35, however, is built primarily for air superiority. Its incredible maneuverability and powerful radar make it an ideal choice for dominating the skies. While it can also carry out ground attack missions, its primary role remains air-to-air combat. So, which aircraft is better? It really depends on the mission. The F-35 is a stealthy multi-role fighter, ideal for modern, high-tech warfare where information dominance and stealth are essential. The Su-35, on the other hand, is an air superiority fighter, best suited for missions that demand agility, power, and superior maneuverability. Both jets represent the pinnacle of aviation technology, but each excels in different areas. The F-35's stealth and versatility versus the Su-35's agility and firepower. What do you think? Let us